Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.